First of all, worldwide praise. There's been worldwide praise by scientists for Fishol E.C. This is a Kripps Pharmacy product. I've had this since June of 1996. Why did I bring the Enteric coated Fishol in? Because I'm the first person to bring in Omega-3 unsaturated fatty acids, salmon oil, over 30 years ago, because I was convinced I was going to cure Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The uncoated salmon oil made things worse. Fishol E.C. was published in the New England Journal of Medicine in June of 1996. It was a study of Crohn's disease, and the Fishol E.C. worked very, very well. It stopped 59% of all Crohn's disease in this study. And these people are doing this study because they want to show that Fishol E.C. will not work. There were half a dozen large studies showing that Fishol E.C. was extremely effective in stopping ulcerative colitis. This was the first Crohn's study. And their whole impetus was to show that Fishol E.C. would not work. In spite of their best efforts, 59% of these people taking 8 Fishol E.C. a day had zero Crohn's, zero for a year and a half. The game they played is if anybody had 1 day of Crohn's, in other words, if anybody had 1 day of sitting on the toilet, bleeding into the toilet, within that year and a half, they were out of the 59% and into the 41%. So this literally became the holy grail of Crohn's disease. And yet, nobody knows about this except what I'm telling you. I've actually talked to the president of the Crohn's Disease Foundation, indirectly from people that I knew, and the president, who has a granddaughter that had severe Crohn's disease, was not interested in supplementing her granddaughter and making her granddaughter's life better by using Fishol E.C. because it was a Kripps Pharmacy product. Fishol helps to heal, it improves moods, it helps in healing cancer, in preventing osteoporosis, which is lowering cysteine, lowering high blood pressure. It's basically something that heals and repairs sores inside the arteries and veins, along with vitamin E. Fishol is from Kripps Pharmacy. It's from salmon muscle oil. It's an excellent source of omega-3, essential fatty acids. It's molecular distilled, free of pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, and has a special vegetable enteric coating that prevents it from opening up in the stomach in the presence of strong hydrochloric acid that is normally supposed to be generated in everybody's stomach. That hydrochloric acid in your stomach is so strong, it'll take the skin off your hand, it'll eat your little finger off. This is how strong the normal mineral hydrochloric acid is. The Enteric vegetable coating on Kripps Pharmacy Fishol E.C. prevents it from being destroyed by hydrochloric acid. That happens in very quick 10-20 seconds. And it's a chlorinated fatty acid which is not absorbed, and just like margarine, takes out other fat-soluble vitamins, leaches them from your body. Also, the Fishol basically does many, many other things, but most importantly, since it places itself right into the cell membranes of every cell in your body, it helps your body to maintain its youth and suppleness. It also dissolves in the end plates of the nerves and makes the connection of neurotransmitters much more effective. This is one of the most important supplements you should be taking.